create rafter. Go to the view tab, then go to view list, select here grid A. Double click this one, grid A will open. Here it is grid A. Now we need to create rafter here. Go to the PDF, you can see here we used rafter for tapered section. Tapered section you can see here, this section I used. Now I just go to Tekla Structure, then go to the steel, select here beam, then go to the properties, steel beam properties, make it here rafter, then go to profile. You will get a lot of profiles. In that we will take, if you go here, you can see few profile, you will get it. In that, which one you want, you can select. We will select this tapered section, then we will customize how we want. Double click this one, you will get it like this. Now go to the PDF, you can see here 500, 800, and first one is 500, next one is 800, and this all the things I just keep as it is. This means height 1 and height 2. Then this is the thickness of web, and here it is thickness of two side flange, and this is flange width. So this is the things. Now go to the Tekla Structure. Other all the thing keep as it is. Which material you want, you can select the material, and color also you can change which class you want, you can select the color. Then here it is a rafter, so I just make it here. This is the height section. If you want, you can differentiate tapered height section, so you can make it HT. Next here it is assembly. Now I just make it here R of for rafter. Other all the thing keep as it is now. Then click this middle point, then place it like that. You can see the length, this one length 7000. So just place it like this. Before that you have to switch on this nearest point. You can place it like this, 7000. Type 7000 in your keyboard, then enter. Here it is placed. Now select this one, right click, go to the move command, click this portion and place it this point. Because if you go to the PDF, you can see here the higher side we need it here, lower side we need it here and here. Now just go to the Tekla Structure. Next select this one, go to the rotation, make it 180, then enter. Then go to the on plane, make it to left, then enter. You will get it like this. Now select this one, go to the view, then go to the work plane parallel to view plane. Now just click outside, it will place like this X and Y. Next select this one, right click, move special and move rotate. Just click this location, make it -5 because we need to rotate clockwise direction. So just make it here -5, then move. Here it is rotated 5 degree. Now go to the edit tab, then go to measure angle, click this point and click this point, and if you measure this one you will get it 5 degree. If you go to here it is 5 degree both. Go to the Tekla Structure. We need it same thing this side also, and this side also we need to make. For that just go to edit and go to construction line. Now I just click this first point, next point, you will get it like this construction line. Double click this one, you can change the properties. I change this one, make it 2500, so you will get a little bit more. I just make it 4500, so it will come up to here. Now just go to steel, go to the beam, other all the thing keep as it is, or after properties, click the first point and click that next point. Next point you can place it, press Ctrl 1, you can see very clearly. You can place it, click this one, it is for intersection. Now so you will get it intersection point. So now here it is placed like this. We can rotate that one. So select this one, make it 180, then enter. You will get it perfectly. If you go to the PDF, you can see here it is placed perfectly. So we need to mirror copy other two things also. Now go to the Tekla Structure, select this one, right click, copy, mirror, click this point and click this midpoint exactly, then copy. So here it is placed. So next lecture we need to create the connection. So this is the way you can create rafter frame in Tekla Structure. Thank you so much. Create rafter end connection. So this is rafter end connection. This is our rafter. These two end connection we need to create. If you go to the section VB, here it is section VB. You can see here this connection we need to create. We have 30 into 400 plate. In that 40 number bolt dia 22 means M20 bolt. We have this much and this is the pitch and all. How to create we will see. For that go to Tekla Structure, then go to application and component, type here end. You will get it end plate connection, lot of connection you will see. In that we will do this one. Select this one, double click this one. You will get it the properties. In that we need to do one by one. Then just make it keep as it is. Then click OK. Select the column and select the rafter. Within few seconds this connection will ready. After that we need to customize this connection. By default you will get it like this, but we need to customize this connection. Double click this one. Now just go to the part first. In that we need to decide the thickness is 30. If you go to the PDF, you can see here this is the 30 thickness and here it is 400 and this one is 800. Make it 400, then here it is 800 and what is the prefix? Here it is plate, so I just make it here P, then I just make it here material. Which material you want, you can select the material also, then I just make it here plate. Other all the thing keep as it is, then simply modify. So plate is fixed like this. Next, go to the picture. In that you can make this one, we don't want any gap, so I just make it here 0. If you need any gap you can make that one also, and here also I don't want any gap, so just keep as it is now. Now once you fix the 0 you will get it like this. You can make here also, I just make it here 151.22. Then if I modify it will fix like this. Now I just make it here minus, then modify, here it is fixed. So just adjust and you have to fix it exactly this top, that's all. If you adjust the dimension little bit, you will get it exactly this dimension. Now just go to the next. Here also we don't want to make anything. Just go to the bolt. In this bolt, select first what is the bolt standard, and here it is what is the bolt size, and other all the thing keep as it is. If you want you can change the tolerance also. If you want you can change the tolerance, so you will get it 22 dia hole. By default also you will get it 22. Next we need to make the bolt. Here I just need 4 bolt. Then you can see here PDF, you can see that one. This side we have 4 bolt. So the 4 bolt, first one 60, then next one 150, next one 60. So now just go to the Tekla, make it here 60, give a space, 150, give a space, then 60. Then if you modify, if you go to the plan view you can see, or if you go to the 3D view also, press Ctrl tab, it will go to the next view. And if you press Ctrl and press the mouse center button, you can rotate like this. You can see what we prepared. And if you go to the next side also, you can see the next 2 bolts. So this one is fixed. Now go to the PDF. You can see here this side we have bolt. This side 9 into 60. So just go to, you can make 9 into 60, or you can make it 10 number of bolt is required. So just make it 10. Go to the Tekla Structure, make it here 10 bolt is required. Gap is, just make it 60. Then select this one and modify. So now here it is fixed like this, but I just remove this 90. Then if I modify, here it is like that. I just make it to this one middle, and here it is. So now this one is perfectly placed. So this connection is finished. If you need any additional thing also, you can do it. For this connection, this much is more than enough. If you go to the weld, we need to make all the welds in shop weld. Just make it all the welds in shop weld. We don't want any side weld. If you need any side weld, you can make that one. Otherwise, keep as it is. Simply modify and click OK. And here also modify, apply OK. Modify, apply and click OK. Next, it's the same connection. We need it here also. So just go to edit, then go to component, create current connection, select the beam and select this one, and here it is created. Now you can see if you go to this function, you will get it the connection perfectly. Now this is the way you can create this connection in Tekla Structure. Thank you so much.